What's up, guys? Today we're playing. I mean, not playing, but we're in the mountains. Paisley. Wait. The Paisley like walking thing. Wait, what is it called? So it's Paisley waterfall we're in, and this is like a big mountain. The short I just posted. Go watch it now. It's a great view, and we're just walking down the path. What way should we go? This way or this way? You comment down below. Comment down below if we should go up. Comment down.
Oh, it says waterfall down there.
Oh, okay. So comment. So we're going down here. Oh my god, this looks like a full-on jungle.
You can make videos all the way down because it's a nice view.
I know. So yeah, I know. I'm making one right now. All right.
Watch your head.
Yeah, watch your head. There's like a what? There's so much trees, and there's like multiple trees on one tree on like one route, I think so. Oh, so there's Ahid right there. Say hi to the camera, Ahid.
Hi.
Oh, our dad's coming. All right, let's go now.
Wow. Now, guys, imagine the bridge just falls down.
Bro, the bridge. This is not a bridge. So be careful for the electric fence.
Yeah.
We're going down.
I saw a snake. Okay, guys, definitely not that way. Point the camera there. Definitely not that
Hold
way.
on, let me check what's there.
I think that is.
Oh my god, there's bushes here. Which way should we go down, from here or here?
Let me see.
Okay, I'm going down.
Yeah, that way, go.
Alright, this way.
Go.
I don't know where my dad's going, but okay, let's just go down. Small pathway through the water right there.
We were gonna make another video today, but maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. This is 6.
Oh my god, stupid mud! Oh my god, I hate mud! It's so annoying. Whoa, my shoes are getting dirty.
Bro's shoes is getting dirty because of mud.
Stupid mud.
Oh my god, I almost slipped on mud, bro.
Good thing
Oh
my
my
shoes
goodness.
is mud proof.
Mud.
Okay, I don't think your eyes do this.
Exactly.
Oh my god, I hate stupid mud!
Just jump over the mud, bro.
I can't tell which is mud and which is not.
I can't. Well, I can. But I couldn't tell you because like we're walking. We're going down here right now.
Right now.
I'm not even scared.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. Oh,
Bro, where is the waterfall?
oh, guys, we went past the waterfall.
I don't think so. Waterfalls are supposed to be like water coming down out of somewhere. You know? I don't know what. Okay, he came out. Like, oh my god, guys, we gotta be careful here.
Oh my lord.
There's a drop there.
Oh my god, oh my Jesus.
There is a entire river here.
Now, guys, you do not want to fall in here.
Oh my god, look at this. Oh no.
Now, watch your step, guys. Watch your step. Watch your step.
Yeah, make sure not to trip it and fall into the river, bro.
Watch your step. Watch your step.
Oh my god, the river. How did you come so quickly?
उस तरफ वहाँ से ऊपर जाते हैं waterfall.
Really?
Guys, there's people ahead of us.
I don't know if this is a pathway right now. I don't know if this is like a pathway. I don't know if this is it. Oh god. Oh my god. There's mud everywhere. Just put up your hoods if it's raining. Oh my god. There's, I don't know what's that?
और यहाँ नहीं पकड़ सकता जगह नहीं है.
Look at that river. Bro, the trees are blocking the river. Blocking the river. Oh my god, there's actually people in the river. Oh, never mind. I thought there was people in the river. Never mind. Oh god. Oh god. This is so intense, bro. The mud. Okay. I made it through.
Careful, careful. See, the waterfall is up this side, right?
Aye, up that way.
Not that way to the right, mate. Aye.
Up that way.
Up that
Take
way.
a right.
All right, Mama.
Over
Thank you.
this, take a right.
All right, thank you.
The waterfall, like over here somewhere, like in there. Yep. Bro, you could just like roll down here or something.
Ain't no one gonna roll down there.
Yeah, we're not gonna roll down there. You could just walk down there. Look at that, so cool. The river's like just ends over here. And then we got like a nice pathway over here. Oh, right now we got a bridge. Okay. It's like a kind of like a bridge. We got water with us. Okay, now this is turning into like a dark entire forest. And it stinks in here, bro. Bro. You can see the river from here. Bro. Oh my god, 7-minute video. Just climbing up. Oh my god. Climbing up. Oh my god. You gotta have the energy to climb up. Guys, make sure to not trip. Oh my god. I think I might end the video because I'm too tired. I'm not gonna end it yet. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, here's the water. You think you would give me some water too?
Imagine falling all the way back down there.
Oh my.
Don't need it. Drink some.
Just drink some, bro. Oh, hold on. I'm thirsty. Dave, do you need some water?
Why do you do that? I just needed my... I don't need some water. All I just need is regenerating in my mouth.
Bro, what the heck is that mean?
Regenerating means like...
Yeah, I know what regenerating. I don't know what regenerating means, bro. Oh, I got some gum over here. Right down my mouth. Okay, it's easy. stopping. Oh my god. It's sunny. Before it was like raining. Oh my god. It's so chaotic. Well, I'm just gonna end it there, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.